Hi everyone, my name is Jingkun Zhao, and this project is called A Tool for Virtual Reality Assisted Surgery, 3D Human Modeling and Visualization. And this project is mentored by Dr. Hu and Dr. Park. Uh, for the introduction part, this project is a tool that can present a compound view between human body models and a operative field from surgeon side. And compared with the traditional way of surgery planning, this tool leads to a more explicit understanding of the detailed anatomy underneath the skin and increases the precision in tumor localization and resection. And before we implementing the VR application features, human body models were gained from CT scans. With the transformation made by mimics, real body parts were transferred into 3D models with numerous triangle components. After that, human models files were generated by using MeshLab and adapting Unity environment. And here's two pictures that are like a general idea about what is this project going on. So that will probably help you to understand this project a little bit. So for the objectives for this project, we are working on visualization of reconstructed anatomy human model into MetaQuest 2 and a development and enrichment of a more intuitive and surgeon users friendly VR user interface. And let me go more detailed for the second part. For the method that we use, we mainly focus on the VR, virtual reality user interface development. And in general, we are developing a more intuitive, interactive menu bar. Why we are developing this one? It's because our aim is to make the user interface to be more clear and neat. So it won't be abandoned like a numerous component for the user interface showing in front of you. So if we create a more clear menu bar, so that will be a more helpful way for users to check for different features for this application. And there are several things that we are worked on for the user interface. One of them is for the transparency adjuster. The transparent adjuster can adjust the transparency of each part of the human body. And I combine every adjuster for different body part into one. And there is a scroll down menu that I can select that users can select from different body parts and change their transparency. And also there is an intuitive controller button mapping. For designing this feature, I considered about how people think about using the controller as a surgery user. So I was using the mapping button for a more user-friendly and a more understandable way for people to use the features of the menu bar. And also combining with the C# script, Unity, and also the imported human body models, there is a similar script objective connectivity for a more smooth interaction and functionality. And for this project, the application for virtual reality has become necessary resource in the field of planning surgeries. So medical professions can now immerse themselves into virtual environment that stimulate actual anatomical structures thanks to the symbiotic relationship between technology and bioscience. And for our project, we are currently working mainly focused on the VR user interface, especially for the menu bar, which including lots of features, for example, the scroll down menu, like the transparency bar. So, and also by employing sophisticated techniques, like the human bodies models are refined and enriched utilizing advanced methodologies like mimics and MeshLab. And for our future objectives is the position tracking for highlighting the body part, which will use the KD tree algorithm for detecting the position of the MetaQuest controller. Thank you.